Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk More English.
Hi there, I am Jake, and this is Sarah.
Thank you for joining us again today. We appreciate you.
Today, we have a very practical and fun topic for you.
Yes, today we talk about how to go shopping in English.
Shopping. Everyone goes shopping, right?
Yes, we go to shops, malls, markets, and supermarkets.
And sometimes you need to speak English when you shop.
Maybe you are in a new country or traveling somewhere.
Or maybe the shop assistant speaks English with you.
Today, we will teach you all the phrases you need.
Simple words, short sentences, and lots of practice.
Are you ready to go shopping with us? Let us start.
First, let us learn about different types of shops.
A supermarket is a big shop where you buy food and drinks.
A clothing store is where you buy clothes like shirts and pants.
A shoe store is where you buy shoes and sandals.
A bookstore is where you buy books and magazines.
A pharmacy is where you buy medicine when you are sick.
And a mall is a big building with many shops inside.
You can also shop at a market, an outdoor market with many sellers.
And of course, many people shop online from their phones.
You can say, I usually shop at the supermarket near my house.
Or, I love going to the mall on the weekend.
Or, I prefer shopping online. It's easier for me.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
I usually shop at the supermarket near my house.
I love going to the mall on the weekend.
I prefer shopping online. It's easier for me.
Great job! Now you know the names of different shops.
Now, let us imagine you walk into a shop.
The shop assistant might say, "Hello, can I help you?"
Or, hi there, are you looking for something special today?
How do you answer? You have two main options.
If you need help, you say, yes, please, I'm looking for a shirt.
Or, "Yes, I need some help. I'm looking for shoes."
If you do not need help, you say, no thanks, I'm just looking around.
I'm just looking. This is a very common and polite phrase.
It means you want to look around the shop by yourself.
The assistant will say, "Okay, let me know if you need anything else."
Let us practice these phrases. Repeat after me, please.
Yes, please. I'm looking for a shirt.
No thanks, I'm just looking around.
Let me know if you need anything else.
Perfect. You sound so natural and polite already.
Now, let us learn how to ask about products in a shop.
A product is anything the shop is selling, an item.
You can ask, "Do you have this in a different color?"
Or, do you have this in a smaller size?
Or, "Do you have this in a larger size?"
Size means how big or small something is.
For clothes, sizes are usually small, medium, and large.
You can say, I need a medium size, please.
Or, "Can I try a large? The medium is too small for me."
You can also ask, how much does this cost? Or simply, how much is this? That is the most common question.
How much is this? You will use this phrase every time you shop.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
Do you have this in a different color?
Do you have this in a larger size?
How much is this?
Excellent. Those are essential shopping phrases.
Now let us talk about trying on clothes in a shop.
When you want to try something on, you need a fitting room.
A fitting room is a small room where you try on clothes.
You can ask, where is the fitting room, please? Or, can I try this on? Where can I try this on?
The assistant might say, "The fitting room is over there." Or, "Of course, the fitting rooms are in the back."
After you try it on, the assistant might ask you questions.
They might say, "How does it fit?" Or, "Does it fit well?"
If it fits, you say, it fits perfectly. I love it. If it's too big, you say, it's a little too big for me.
If it's too small, you say, "It's too small. Do you have a larger one?"
If you don't like it, you say, I don't think this one is for me.
Let us practice fitting room phrases. Repeat after me.
Can I try this on, please?
Where is the fitting room, please?
It fits perfectly. I love it.
It's too small. Do you have a larger one?
Wonderful! You are a confident shopper now.
Now, let us learn some useful words to describe what you want.
Colors are very important when shopping for clothes.
Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, gray, brown, pink.
You can say, "Do you have this shirt in blue?"
Or, I'm looking for a black jacket for the winter.
Or, "I prefer the white one. It looks nicer to me."
You can also describe the style you want.
You can say, "I want something casual, not too formal."
Casual means comfortable and relaxed for everyday life.
Formal means serious and professional for work or events.
You can also say, I'm looking for something simple and comfortable.
Or, "I'm looking for something warm for the cold weather."
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
Do you have this shirt in blue?
I am looking for a black jacket for the winter.
I want something casual and comfortable.
Great. Now you can describe exactly what you want.
Now let us go to the supermarket, a different kind of shopping.
At the supermarket, you buy food, snacks, and everyday items.
When you enter, you get a shopping cart or a basket.
A cart is the big one with wheels. A basket is the small one.
You walk through different sections: fruit, vegetables, dairy, bread.
Dairy means milk, cheese, yogurt, and butter.
You pick up the things you need and put them in your cart.
Sometimes you need to ask for help finding something.
You can ask, "Excuse me, where can I find the rice?"
Or, where is the bread section, please?
Or, "Do you have any fresh fruit today?"
The worker might say, it is in aisle 3 on the left.
Aisle means the long path between the shelves in a supermarket.
Let us practice supermarket phrases. Repeat after me now.
"Excuse me, where can I find the rice?"
Where is the bread section, please?
"Do you have any fresh fruit today?"
Perfect. Now you can find anything in the supermarket now.
You found everything you need. Now it's time to pay.
You go to the checkout. The checkout is where you pay.
The cashier is the person who takes your money.
The cashier might say, did you find everything you needed today?
You can say, "Yes, I did. Thank you for asking."
Or, actually, I could not find the eggs. Where are they?
Then the cashier will tell you the total price.
They say, your total is $25.50.
They might ask, "How would you like to pay today?"
Or, cash or card. This means money or credit card.
You can say, "I will pay by card, please."
Or, I will pay with cash. Here you go.
You might also hear, "Do you need a bag for your items?"
You say, yes, please. Or, no thanks, I have my own bag with me today.
Excellent. You can pay at any shop with confidence now.
Now, let us learn about discounts and sales. Everyone loves them.
A discount means the price is lower than usual. You save money.
A sale is when a shop offers many items at lower prices.
You can ask, "Is this item on sale right now?"
Or, are there any discounts available today?
Or, "Do you have any special offers this week?"
The assistant might say, yes, this item is 50% off.
50% off means you pay only half the original price.
Or they might say, buy one, get one free this week.
That means you buy one item and get a second one for free.
You can also ask, is there a student discount available here?
Some shops give discounts to students with a student card.
Let us practice discount phrases. Repeat after me now.
Is this item on sale right now?
Are there any discounts available today?
Do you have any special offers this week?
Great. Now you can save money while shopping in English.
Now, sometimes you need to return something to the shop.
Return means to bring it back and get your money back.
Exchange means to change it for a different one instead.
You can say, I would like to return this shirt, please.
Or, "Can I exchange this for a different size?"
Or, this doesn't fit me. Can I get a refund?
A refund means the shop gives you your money back.
The assistant might ask, "Do you have your receipt?"
A receipt is the paper you get when you buy something.
You say, "Yes, here is my receipt. I bought it last week."
Or, I'm sorry, I lost my receipt. Is that okay?
Let us practice return phrases. Repeat after me, please.
I would like to return the shirt, please.
Can I exchange this for a different size?
Do you have your receipt? Yes, here it is.
Now you know what to say if something is not right.
Now let's hear a full sample conversation. Listen carefully.
I'll be the shop assistant. Sarah will be the customer.
Okay, imagine we are in a clothing store right now.
Hello, welcome to our store. Can I help you today?
Hi, yes please. I'm looking for a warm jacket.
Of course. We have jackets right over here. Follow me.
Oh, I like this one. Do you have it in black?
Let me check for you. Yes, we have it in black.
Great. How much is it?
It's $45, but it's on sale today.
Oh, really? How much is the discount?
It's 20% off, so the price is $36.
That is a great price. Can I try it on, please?
Of course. The fitting room is right behind you.
Thank you. I will be right back.
How does it fit? Does it feel comfortable on you?
It fits perfectly. I love it. I will take it.
Wonderful. Would you like to pay by cash or card today?
I will pay by card, please. Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
That was a complete shopping conversation from start to finish.
Now pause and try to practice it yourself out loud.
Let us do a quick vocabulary review together now.
Shop assistant, the person who works in the shop and helps you.
Customer, the person who comes to buy something. That is you.
Fitting room, the small room where you try on clothes.
Size, how big or small a piece of clothing is.
Cashier, the person at the checkout who takes your payment.
Receipt, the paper you get after you pay for something.
Discount, a lower price than the original. You save money.
Sale, when a shop offers many items at reduced prices.
Refund, when the shop gives you your money back.
Exchange, when you change an item for a different one.
Cart, the big container with wheels you push in a supermarket.
Aisle, the path between shelves in a supermarket or shop.
These are all very important words for shopping in English.
Now here is your practice challenge for today, everyone.
Imagine you are in a clothing store. You want a new shirt.
First say, "Hi, I'm looking for a shirt, please."
Then ask, do you have this in blue?
Then ask, "How much is it?"
Then say, can I try it on, please?
Then say, "It fits perfectly. I will take it."
Then say, I will pay by card, please. Thank you.
Can you say all of that? Try it right now.
Pause the video and practice. You can do it.
Okay, everyone, it is time for our final review today.
Today, we learned how to go shopping in English.
We learned the names of different types of shops.
We learned what to say when you enter a shop.
We learned how to ask about products, sizes, and colors.
We learned how to try on clothes in a fitting room.
We learned useful phrases for the supermarket.
We learned how to pay at the checkout easily.
We learned about discounts, sales, returns, and exchanges.
And we practiced a full shopping conversation together.
You did an amazing job today. We're so proud of you.
Next time you go shopping, try using these English phrases.
Please like this video and subscribe to Talk More English.
Leave a comment. Tell us what you like to shop for.
We love reading your comments. They make us so happy.
Thank you for watching and learning with us today, everyone.
Keep practicing every day. Your English is getting better.
See you in the next episode of Talk More English.
Bye-bye, everyone. Happy shopping. See you next time.
Bye. Keep talking in English. We believe in you.